Senator Aquilino Pimentel III will formally write to the Commission on Audit for the examination on how the HUDCC has used its fund for its housing projects. Pimentel says there is a need to check if the accomplishments of Vice President VP Binay, including his programs for calamity victims, were accurate when he was still the housing czar.
Ito na, within the week. Susulat ko na po yun. I will really formally ask COA to audit his tenure as the head of the HUDCC and all of the housing agencies under him.
Pimentel said if there are irregularities found in HUDCC, Binay may still be held liable despite his resignation.
Audit is past You're audited for your past act. So kung may makita pong violation of auditing rules and regulations, ang masama po ay violation pa ng batas. So yun po titignan po.
Pimentel also said that the Vice President sent him a letter regarding the Senator's plan of asking COA for an audit of the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council and other housing agencies that were under VP Binay.
Kinokonek niya sa demolition job wala naman akong demolition job against him. Hindi ito demolition job, huwag siya mag-alala kasi hindi ko rin naman alam ang resulta ng audit Bakit siya kakabangga agad?
Pimentel clarified that his request to COA is not part of the Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee hearing on the Pag-ibig Fund anomaly and that this is his personal initiative as Senator. Joanano reporting for Y News.